guys, Charlene here, and today I'm going to be showing you all of my fidgets. So, I have got quite a lot, so I might have to do a part 2, 3 or even maybe a 4. So, let's get straight into it. So, first thing that I've got is this big Simple Dimple. Which is one of my favourites, I really like it. And then we have my circle puppet. I can't pop because that'll take forever. I've got this teddy bear puppet which I don't really like. I keep trying to give it to my brother for free but he never takes it. So yeah. We have my Slinky. I love my Slinky, he's so cool. And then we have my Rubik's Cube, which I found a trick. You just have to go up, across, up, across. It's well good. I have got one of these ball solvers, so you can like push the ball into different spots and solve it. Which I've solved it, which is really nice. I've got my football fidget. Oof. Oof, I can't do that. Oh well. And then, got this giant thing. It's as big as me, look. It's like a top. So yeah, I've got this big thing. I love it. It's got a little keychain on it that I put on it. And then we have, I don't know if this is a fidget. I've got one of these squishy teddies. It's really cool, I love it. And then we have got my unicorn squish, which I love. He's my bestie. He smells nice. Smell him. And then I have this thing. I don't know what it's called, but I like it. It can break up. Oh, we have the unicorn. And with, so it's got the little frills, stretching. And yeah, I love it. I traded that from my brother. Then I've got my P-Pops. Ready? Wait a minute. Ready? Boop. Ready? Boop. I love him. Okay. And then the last one for today is my fidget cube. So I've got my button side, we've got my controller side, we have my button side, only a few of them make noise, we have my disc side, and we have my roller and keys on this side. Bye guys, love ya.